The proof of fund of this country is more cheaper. In Europe, they ask you that okay, if you have accommodation, then you should have like a minimum of 50 euros as part of your proof of funds, right? This country, they'll ask you to have like 11,000 forints to as your proof of funds. If you check it, 11,000 forints will give you this amount exposed on your screen, and that's for feeding and transportation. That's like your proof of funds to show that yes, you can take care of yourself in the country. But if in euros, it will give you this amount here posted on the side of your screen. So you see this one is more, it's more higher than this one, right? Okay, so if you are to calculate 11,000 times the amount of days you probably want to spend 2 months there times 60, this is the result. I'll post it on your screen. So that should like be your proof of funds. Then if you are to type calculate this amount in euros calculated by the amounts of days you're going to spend in this euro country using the euros currency, this is the total amount you will spend. You see the difference between these two. This is the proof of funds you will be needing for like each of these countries. And the amazing thing again, this country is in Europe. It's one of the few countries that does not use the euros as a legal tender, like as the official legal tender. Although you are allowed to spend euros, even some employers pay you in euros. Yes, you earn in euros, but their own official currency is like the forint. So this country is cheaper to move in from all evidence I've shown you. This country also have a very good economy, and this country is bordered by Austria. This country is bordered by Slovakia. This country is bordered by Romania. When you have this country visa, you also have a Schengen visa if you go as a tourist, and with the tourist you can go to any of the Shanghai countries. What is this amazing country I'm talking about? People are like, just tell us the country already, sir. You're always keeping us the suspense. Da 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 da. Okay, so guys, so I'm going to tell you about this country. I know the thing about this country, there are lots of job opportunity in this country. Even I myself have a few slots in the country for those that are looking for unskilled job in this particular country. You can just DM me and I'll give you a list of the jobs we have, and we'll work out the consultation fee, the details. That's after, if you wish to like go to this country. But all in normal note, you can also look for jobs by your own self in this country, and I wish you best of luck. I'll be telling you how to get a tourist visa in this particular country, and I'll also tell you how, if you get a job, how you can get a work visa. If you want more videos like this, can you like, share, subscribe to this channel for more travel videos like this. Thank you for watching. The country I'm talking about is Hungary. Where is Hungary? Hungary is part of Europe with the main city at Budapest. It's a developed country with a population of about 10 million people. The main currency is forint. The language spoken are Hungary, and they also speak English. The Hungary tourist visa is also known as a Type C Shanghai visa. It's a short stay visa with a period of 90 days and it expires in 90 days. What are the documents required for a Hungary Type C Shanghai visa? One, you will need a passport. You must submit a passport or other travel document issued with the last 10 years. This must have at least 2 blank pages and be valid for at least another 3 months after the date you intend to leave the Shanghai area. What is the number 2 documents you will need? You will need a completed application form for Hungary visa. 3, you need a passport photo. The photo must not be older than 6 months. 4, you will need a bank statement. You need a recent monthly bank statement of the applicant from your country. The statement must clearly show the applicant names as the account holder, the balances of the account, and the dates of the statement. If the statements are printed online, then it has to be authenticated, meaning stamped by the bank officials. Number 5, you need travel insurance. You need proof of insurance travel from the destination, with the certificate of insurance and the table of benefits. That means the whole itinerary. 6, you need travel proof. As travel proof, you need a round-trip flight reservation for destination. That means it will show intent that you are coming back to your home country. 7, you need a cover letter. A cover letter mentions the details of the applicant, the travel, and details of other members you are traveling with. 8, you need accommodation proof. Accommodation reservations in destination for the duration of your visit. You need either it's hotel reservation, Airbnb, what and what. 9, you need proof of civil status. This could be in form of marriage certificate, birth certificate of children, death certificate if you are widow or widower. And number 10, you need previous visa. If you have ever traveled out of the country, you need copies of your previous visas if it's applicable. 11, you need an itinerary. This is very important. An itinerary is a document that shows you have a book seat on a flight that will take you from your country of residence to Hungary and back. This document should specify flight date, entry and exit date, and your details, and all the activity you will do over in Hungary. Then we have some supporting documents you might need. If you are employed, you need a letter from the employer on company letterhead with contact details stating that you have been granted the leave of absence, the purpose and the duration of your trip, and that you will be returning to your current job when you are back. They also need current bank statement of the last 6 months. If you have a business, you have to show inter-tax return. If you are employed or self-employed, you need original payslip. Also, if you have your own business, include a copy of your business license, your company bank statement of the last 6 months, the income tax return, and also you need to show other additional proof that you own the company. For students, you need to submit an official letter from your school indicating that you are in good standing and you are registered for the upcoming semester. You will also need a no objection certificate from the school or university, that is NOC. If you retire, submit proof of your retirement fund. Please note this thing: the Hungary government may reject your application for a variety of reasons. Some of the reasons include if you provide inaccurate information, or if you don't meet up to the requirement, or if you have a criminal record. If you have a criminal record, in all these cases that I mentioned, the applicants will have to reapply and pay the visa fee again. So guys, these are all the requirements you will need for you to apply for Hungary Schengen Visa. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share to friends and family.